Hi, we are to add A plus B plus C in this question. Let us call this equation 1, this 2, and this equation 3. Now, to continue, we are going to multiply equation 1 by equation 2 and by equation 3. So this is going to be 1 times 2 times 3 will be equals to 10 times 20 times 30. So 1 is AB. Question 1 is AB. Question 2 is BC. Question 3 is AC. So 10 times 20 is 200. 200 times 30 is 6,000. So this can be arranged as this is A times A. So this is going to be A times A. Here we have B again, B times B. Here we have C times C equals to 6,000. So now this is the same as A times A is the same as A squared, and B times B is the same as B squared. C times C is the same as C squared, all equals to 6,000. Now, A squared times B squared can be written as A times B raised to the power of 2. So let's write this in that form. So this is going to be A times B times C squared equals to 6,000. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to raise the power of both sides of this equation by 1 over 2. B times C. We have 2 already there times 1 over 2 equals to 6,000 raised to the power of 1 over 2. So these 2, you'll divide this 2. So we will now have A times B times C equals to, now any number raised to the power of half is the square root of that number. So it's going to be the square root of 6,000. So A times B times C is the same thing as A, B, C equals to 6,000. Now to find the square root of 6,000, let us divide. So we have 6,000 here. Beginning to divide it using the smallest number I can divide it. 2 divided by 6,000 is 3,000. Then again 2 is going to be 1,500. 2 can still divide. We have 750. How many 2 is in 7? It's 3 remainder 1. How many 2 is in 15 is 7 remainder 1. How many 2 is in 10 is 5. So the next number we are going to use 5 now. How many 5 is in 30? 7. 7 remainder 2. How many 5 is in 25? That's 5. So 5 can still divide. How many 5 is in 75? It's going to be 15. And then 5 can still divide again. How many 5 is in 15? 3. And then 3 will divide 3. We have 1. So now, because we are finding the square root, we are going to multiply them in 2s. 2 times 2 here is 4. 2 times 2 here is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. And then leave this ones like that. 5 times 3. So here we are going to have 4 times 4 is 16 times 25. So we'll break them down here. A, B, C equals to 4 times 4 is 16 equals to the square root of 16 times 25 times 5 times 3. Now, this can also be expressed as ABC equals to the square root of 16 times the square root of 25 times the square root of 5 times 3 is 15. So ABC will be equals to the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 25 is 5 times the square root of 15. So now ABC will be equals to 4 times 5 is 20 root 15. So let's continue. So now we are given AB, BC, AC. Now we have found ABC, and the question says we should find A plus B plus C. Now let's make each of them the subject of formula here. So A here will be equals to 20 root 15 all over BC. B here will be equals to 20 root 15. Now B all over AC. And then C here will be equals to 20 root 15 all over, that's C, all over AB. AB. I hope you're following. We are making each of them the subject of formula here. What we are looking for is A, B, C. And now we still have the letters there, so we have to substitute these ones, what we have here, into this one in order to find A. So this is going to be root 20 root 15 all over BC. BC here is 20. So this is going to be 20 root 15 all over BC is 20. So 20 will divide 20. So A equals to root 15. I hope you are following. Now B here, AC is what? AC is 30. So we have 20 root 15 all over 30. So this 0 will divide this 0. You have B equals to 2 root 15 all over 3. Let's come here. AB is what here? Is 10. So 20 root 15 all over AB is 10. Of 10, 20 divided by 10, we have 2. So C is 2 root 15. We've gotten A as root 15, B as 2 root 15 over 3, and then C as 2 root 15. So it's time for us to add them together. So A equals to root 15 plus B equals to 2 root 15 over 3 plus C is 2 root 15. Let's assume this is all 1. So we find the LCM. So the LCM here is going to be 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. So we are going to have 3 root 15 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 times 2, we are going to have 2 root 15. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6 root 15. So now, they all have a common denominator. So we can go ahead and add. Now, in such, when you have something like this, A root B plus C root B, what do? You can add it like this, A plus C root B. So that's what we are going to do here. So we are going to have 3 plus 2 plus 6 root 15 over 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So we are going to have 11 root 15 all over 3. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Bye.